question was asked in Prelims 2025. Which of the following statements with regard to the recommendations of the 15th Finance Commission of India are correct? The first statement says it has recommended grants of rupees 4,800 crores from the year 2022-23 to the year 2025-26 for incentivizing states to enhance educational outcomes. Now, as a matter of fact, the 15th Finance Commission did set aside certain grants that were performance-based. So, these grants were performance-based incentives. And one such incentive was set aside for the states based on how well they improve their educational outcomes. And this amount was rupees 4,800 crores, as has been correctly mentioned in the question. Therefore, the first statement is correct. The second statement says 45% of the net proceeds of union taxes are to be shared with states. Now, this statement is erroneous, meaning that the 15th Finance Commission had actually recommended that the only 41% of net proceeds or 41% of the divisible pool be transferred to the states. Hence, this statement is incorrect. Now, if we eliminate statement 2, we can get rid of all options that consist of statement 2 and arrive at the correct answer, which is option number C. But let's also take a look at statement 3 and 4. So, rupees 45,000 crores are to be kept as performance-based incentive for all states for carrying out agricultural reforms. This is also correct because the Commission had recommended focusing on agri-marketing as well as modernization of agriculture. And for that, the said amount was set aside. Therefore, this is correct. Now, statement 4 says it reintroduced tax effort criteria to reward fiscal performance. This again is an accurate statement. Tax effort here implies the efficiency of states to mobilize their own taxes. All right. So, the question here arises whether we ought to be aware of or we ought to memorize all the facts and figures that have been mentioned here. But the key to solving this question is statement 2. Learning this data, learning the amount of money that is to be transferred to the states from the divisible pool is non-negotiable, students. So this you have to remember at all costs, and once you're aware of this, you are practically able to solve the question, and we arrive at the correct answer, which is option number C.